Hey guys, what is up? Myst here with another video. First, I want to apologize to all my viewers. Yes, I have not made a video in a while, about 3 to 4 months. That's because of a couple of reasons. First of all was because my channel has received some community guideline strikes, about 4 in a row, about really old content. And I also got a copyright strike as well. With those 3 community guidelines and 1 copyright strikes, I was not able to upload for about maybe 3 months, and my ban was just lifted about maybe 2 weeks ago. I didn't start making a video 2 weeks ago because that's when we were in the middle of Ramadan, so I couldn't really have time or have the energy to make videos. But now I'm back in action. I'm planning on making daily videos. I apologize to all my viewers, and I know a lot of people right now are asking me, Mister, where are you? Are you gone? Did you stop making videos? Are we not going to make videos anymore? No, that is incorrect. I'm still gonna make videos, of course. Because I've got these strikes, I'm going to watch what I make. I am not going to make any more IPTV videos. It seems that YouTube attacks those the most. Every single IPTV video has kind of automatically get hit at the same time, even though if I blur the video, even though if I don't show sound or audio or logos, for some odd reasons, anything along the words of Internet Protocol Television seems to get attacked. So I'm not going to do IPTV anymore. If you guys ask me questions about it, via email, whatever, I'll help you out, but I will not be able to make videos anymore. In regards to my Droid, in regards to the Droid admin store for the movie APKs, I'm still kind of along the edges if I should still continue with APKs as well, because I know those are going to be attacked in the future. I plan on staying in YouTube here for the long run, not for the short run. A lot of people spend 3-4 years making videos, then all of a sudden they basically get attacked and the channel gets shut down. As you guys can see, I only have right now 39 viewable videos on my channel because I've actually destroyed and deleted all the old videos in regards to APKs or IPTV. I've only left the videos that I have that is basically tech related videos, Android videos, tips and tricks, Android box reviews, Android OS reviews, stuff like that. These seem to kind of still be popular, so I'm gonna make videos along the lines of this. Emulators, cool tips and tricks, awesome Android apps, awesome iPhone apps. And also right now I want ideas from you guys to what to make for my next video, please. Please post all your comments in the description below. Tweet at me at Twitter or send me an email. I will make my next few videos based off my subscribers. So all my information to contact me is down below, or leave a quick comment in the description below. And that is basically it, guys. I appreciate you staying with me all this time, and hopefully please stay tuned for my next video, which will be coming up shortly based off your recommendations. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.